Welcome to our channel Rhythm of Life. Let's see what's special for the day. Today we are going to see how to make butter and ghee at home easily. If you like my video after watching, then subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share it with your friends. To prepare butter at home, we need to collect thick cream or malai from the milk every day. If you boil milk in the morning, allow it to cool and refrigerate it. By evening, a thick layer of cream would have been formed on top of the milk. With the help of a spoon, separate out the cream and store it in a container. The cream layer will be thicker if you collect it from the refrigerated milk. Repeat the step till you are able to collect required amount of cream to make butter. Now close the container and store it in the freezer. You can even collect the cream that is obtained while making buttermilk. Suppose you don't make buttermilk, then you can add a teaspoon of curd into the container. You need not add curd every day. Once added is sufficient. My container is filled up now. If I want to make butter tomorrow, then I will leave the container outside tonight. Close the lid and keep the container at room temperature for at least 9 to 10 hours. It's been 10 hours since I kept it outside. I have transferred the cream to a larger vessel so that it is easier to churn in it. I'm using a stainless steel churner. You can even use a wooden churner also. The cream has melted completely. It takes approximately 8 to 10 minutes for the butter to form. We can observe that the cream undergoes 3 phases before the butter is formed. During the first phase, it will be slightly difficult to churn since the cream is intact. This is the second phase now and it is easier to churn it because the cream has broken down now. This is the final stage where the butter is going to be formed in a few minutes. It will be slightly difficult since the butter is getting formed. We need to churn it without a break so that the butter is formed nicely. The liquid which is there is called the buttermilk. Transfer it to another utensil. Collect as much as you can. Now take some ice cold water in another utensil. Take a ladle with few holes and transfer the butter into the ice cold water. Using ice cold water helps in the separation of butter. The whole process looks so nice to see. Transfer all the butter into the ice cold water and it's done now. Now transfer the butter in the ice cold water into a clean utensil. Drain out as much as water you can with the help of your hand. Collect all the butter in the same way. Take an airtight container, transfer required amount of butter to it and then store it in the refrigerator. You can use it whenever you want. After storing some amount of butter, we will use the remaining to make ghee. We will transfer it to an heavy bottom pan and start to melt it. This is the first phase where the butter begins to melt. During the entire process, the gas should be at low flame. We need to stir it occasionally. Now we can observe that it has begun to clarify now. The fat solids are still white in color. We need to heat it till it turns brown. This is the final stage and we can see that the fat solids has completely turned into brown in color. We can observe that the sizzling sound reduces and bubbles begin to form. Now it's time to switch off the gas and we will allow it to cool. Though it takes some extra time, but once we try it at home, we will definitely do it again and again. Now we'll take a container where we want to store the ghee and then place a filter on top of it. Now place a small piece of white cotton cloth into it and transfer the ghee slowly. The filtration occurs quite slowly, so Add it in small portions. Once the ghee has been filtered, transfer the residue into the cloth. This residue is a waste, but it absorbs some amount of ghee. In order to avoid the wastage, we are doing it like this. Then make a small bundle like this. While making chapatis, we can use this bundle to press on top of it. Due to the heat, the absorbed ghee gets melted and spreads on it. After using it for 2 to 3 times, or when you know that it's done, you can discard it. We are minimizing the wastage by doing like this. Our homemade butter and homemade ghee is ready.